Masterfully envisioned by federal land, River Park is a 600-hectare township development here in General Trias, Cavite, designed for modern Filipino families to live, work, study, and thrive in one connected community.
For the second community run, actually nakakatuwa ang mga Caviteños. Mas dumami, mas madaming bagong runners, mas maraming na-inspire dun sa first community run natin. And at the same time, yung mga familiar faces na nag-attend sa first run nandito ulit and mas energized.
Excited kami sa development dito. Unang-una, may mall, may school, lahat kumpleto na. Hindi nalalayo kami sa Gentry. Sana mapabilis yung pag-develop dahil excited kami lahat para dito na lang, wala ka nang hanapin pa.
Today, you are not just going for a run, you're exploring a city shaped by nature and open space. Within River Park, you will find residential districts designed for families, retail and commercial areas for daily essentials, office spaces for businesses and entrepreneurs, educational institutions, including the upcoming Ateneo de Manila University in River Park South.
Thank you, Federal Community. Thank you, Federal Land Community. Kami! Ulit! Wala po kayong ano? Thank you, Federal Land Community Run.
Thank you, Federal Land Community Run.
Thank you, Federal Land!
Ang nakikita ko dito kung bakit mas dumami or nag-multiply yung mga attendees natin. First is yung support ni Federal Land. At the same time, sa tulong ni Sunrise na maganda yung pag-organize, confident yung mga attendees natin na matatapos nila yung workout ng safe and productive.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is River Park, a community shaped by nature, connection, and the Filipino spirit.